Hey guys, it's Chris. Today we are going to be looking at an exciting new feature that we've just released. I say new, but in reality it's actually been implemented on our RV iBrake Shadow for quite some time, but it is new for most of our devices. And that is something we call QuickPair. QuickPair is a proximity-based pairing system that is taking the place of QR code-based pairing. So if you're familiar with any of our products, maybe you've been with us over the years, you know that we use QR codes. They're a little series of black and white boxes that you scan via the tablet, and that's what pairs devices to each other. It's a very effective way of pairing things securely, but it can be very easy to lose a QR code. Maybe a dealer installed things and threw it away, or maybe you left your QR codes at home and you're on the road now. In any case, whatever it might be, we know that sometimes those QR codes aren't available, and in those cases you have to reach out to customer service. And obviously we try to make that process as easy as possible, but with QuickPair we can eliminate all of that, which is the good news. So the way that QuickPair works is you do need our latest software update. That's the first step. So if you don't have it already, jump into your yellow settings app on the tablet, go down to the software update tab and hit check for updates. You will have to select your Wi-Fi network. Usually that's a home network or something like that. But once you're connected, it will check for that update, download it, and then prompt you to install it, which you will want to do. So once that's installed, the tablet's been restarted, you will have QuickPair available for all of your different devices. So in order to pair a device now at this point, you'll just hit add device like you always have. You'll toggle the slider next to that device. Again, that's going to be identical to what we've done previously, but it will now prompt you for the serial number on that device. So let's say we're pairing to a Towed Battery Charger Plus. What we're going to do is, because again, this is a proximity-based pairing system, that's very important. The hub has to be close to the device you're going to pair to, in this case, the TBC Plus. So we're gonna try and set the hub right on top of the device if possible, or right around it, again, within a 1 to 2 foot radius. Once we've done that, we can enter the serial number off of the device we're pairing to. In this case, it would be our TBC. And then it's going to search for it for a moment, and then it should find it. And from that point on, it's identical to anything you'd have with QR-based pairing, QR code-based pairing. It will recognize those devices even if they're turned off, so you can turn it off, turn it back on. It will see it right away. And once it's paired, it should be paired for life. So hopefully this helps when you're on the road. Again, I know that QR codes, while we've tried to make that process easy, can sometimes get lost and all that kind of thing. So this eliminates the need for that. And it's always our goal to make RVing as stress-free as possible. So that is our hope with QuickPair. If you've got any feedback or questions about QuickPair, feel free to reach out to our customer service team. We're always available to answer any questions. You can reach us by phone, chat, or email, and we can't wait to see you next time. Hey guys, thanks again for joining us. We can't wait for you to dive in a little bit deeper on this channel. We've got tons of other great videos on products, stories, tips and tricks for when you're on the road. Before you go check those out though, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on this video. It may sound a little cliche, but it actually really does help us here on the YouTube side of things to make sure that we can continue to provide this kind of content for you. So if you've got any questions at all, never hesitate to reach out. We always love hearing from you. Guys, in the meantime, happy RVing.